Hello students, third exercise before up to 2 problems completed. Now third question, find the amount and the compound interest 8,000 rupees at 5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. See this answer. Answer, principal. Principal equal to 8,000. Rate equal to 5%. For this, the interest is compounded every year. For that, then 2 times periods will be occurred 2 years. Means therefore n equal to 2. Now a equal to p into formula a equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Here n means years, time. N nothing but time. P means 8,000 into 1 plus r means 5 by 100 whole square, n equal to 2 years. This is here 8,000 into, here 5 table cancellation, 5 ones 5 20s, 1 plus 1 by 20 whole square, 8,000 into, here 1 plus 1 by 20, 20 into 1 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 by 20 whole square, 21 by 20 whole square. Again here do cancellation, 8,000 into 21 by 20 whole square means 2 times 21 by 20. Here 1 0. Here 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. Here also another 0 0 get cancelled. 2 is there. 2 ones 2 40s. Again here 2 is there. 2 20s. What left? 20 into 21 into 21. So we'll get 8,820. This is amount. What this one? Amount equal to rupees 8,820. We want CI, compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal. What is amount? 8,820 minus principal 8,000. So we'll get 8,820. Sorry, 8,820 minus 8,000. We'll get 820 rupees. What is this? Compound interest. Fourth question, find the amount and the compound interest on 6,500 rupees for 2 years, compounded annually, the rate of interest beginning 5% per annum during the first year and 6% of annum during the second year. Principal equal to 6,500 rupees, rate of interest R equal to 5%, time equal to 1 year. For that, interest equal to formula PTR by 100. Interest equal to PTR by 100. Principal how much? 6,500 into T, R equal to 5, time 1 year by 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 65 into 5, 325. This is interest. Now here amount equal to principal plus interest. Principal how much? 6,500 plus interest 325. 6,825. This is amount. For this again next year it will change it to principal. This amount next year it is principal. Now therefore principal equal to 6,825. So why? Because here at the beginning of second year A equal to P. Means amount equal to principal. Second year beginning, amount equal to principal. For that, now rate of interest they given 6% time 1 year means next year, second year. Interest equal to PTR by 100. For that, principal 6825 into 6 into 1 by 100. Here cancellation after will get 409.5. This is interest. Now amount equal to principal plus interest. So what will get? Principal 6825 plus 409.5 means 50 paise here, 5.0. Like now amount equal to, add these two, will get 7234.50. Now compound interest, amount minus principal. Compound interest, amount minus principal. What is amount here? 7234.50 minus principal 6500. We'll get 734.50. 734 rupees 50 paise. This is compound interest per second year. Now fifth question. Pratibha borrows 47,000 from a finance company to buy her first car. The rate of simple interest is 17% and she borrows the money over a 5-year period. So first question, how much amount Pratibha should repay the finance company at the end of 5 years? And second question, her equal monthly repayments. Principal equal to 47,000 rupees, rate equal 17%, time equal 5 years. For this, find interest. Interest equal to PTR by 100. PTR by 100. This is formula. Interest equal to PTR by 100. Principal 47,000 into time 5 years, rate 17% by 100. Here two zeros get cancelled. Do product, will get 39,950 rupees. 39,950. This is interest. For first question, amount to pay. Amount to pay means paid amount. Amount equal to principal plus interest. What is principal? Now 47,000 plus interest will get 39,950. Add these two, will get 86,950 rupees. 86,950 rupees amount. Therefore, amount to be paid. How much she will pay? 86,950 rupees. Second one, in monthly equal installment, she has to pay. She has to pay. How much? 86,950 rupees by 5 years. 5 years means 5 into 12. 86,950 by 5 into 12. 86,950 by 5 into 12. 12 5s 60. Here cancellation 1010 get cancelled. Again 2 table get cancelled. Finally otherwise 6 table. 6 ones, 6 fours, again 6 fours, 6 nines, 0.1. So approximately how much rupees? 1,450 rupees. So this is approximately value. Here 1449.1 something means 49. It will change it to 50. 1450 rupees approximately. This is answer. Again listen. Principal they given 47,000. Rate of interest 17%. Time 5 years. Interest find first. PTR by 100. Principal, time, interest, rate of interest by 100. Here cancellation after will get 39,950 rupees. This is interest. Now amount to paid. Amount equal to principal plus interest. How much principal? 47,000 plus interest 39,950. These two add will get 86,950. This is amount. Amount to be pay 86,950. And the second question, in monthly equal to installments she has to pay how much? 5 years. Total about 5 years. This is amount 86,950 rupees amount by 5 years. Years means 5 into 12. Here 5 years means 5 into 12 will get 12 5s 60. 86,950 by 60. Here 0 0 get cancelled. Again 6 table cancellation will get 1449.1 something. So here totally approximately 1450 rupees.